On some of our newer doors, you'll have the new cam system in place. The cam system is actually designed that when you have this larger gap, you can see my finger can nearly fit in there, you can just utilize this to turn it and drive the block over. It takes a little bit of the slight frustration of the straps out and allows it to be a little bit more dial to what you want. So all you have to do again is loosen these up. And again, we've already loosened up the bolts here, 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 and here to get the block to be movable, okay? So now I know my block's movable. I'm gonna move it to the cam position over to the next position. You'll have to pull it out. You have to play with it a little bit. So I'm gonna go to the same one. Okay, and now I'm gonna look and see, okay, is that what I want? No, I want a little bit more. So I'm gonna push it over a little bit more. Okay, that's about perfect for me, okay? So again, I use my knife as my typical meter because it's about 1/8 of an inch. That's just about perfect. Yeah, a little tight on top, which is fine. And now all I have to do is tighten these down. Again, I'm gonna tighten the top and bottom to hold the block's position. So I just wanna get the block's position held there. And I might just utilize, even one of those will probably keep it from actually moving, and see it's already stuck. So now all I have to do, cinch those down. And now that block is caught in that position. And so now all we again have to do is line up our pen block, which might have gotten a little bit tightened up from all the adjustments. Just let me close that. Grab myself a dowel. Okay, again, we're just gonna line the dowel up with the pen block. We're gonna pull it over a little bit. Sometimes you might need to take tool of some sort. No, this is not the proper use for a socket, I know that. But it does make a nice little tap. And if I need to get up, I can usually just lever up on the tool. There you go. Okay. Am I good? I'm gonna tension this. Okay, that should be good. Now check my pen block, make sure everything's good. I'm just gonna open the door and then close it. See if I can float the pen back in the pen block, and I can. And we're good to go. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and tighten all of our bolts so we're ready to go back and use our door. Those are the main ones I did. So now just get the pen block bolts reset. All right, and we're good to go. Now we can go back to breeching.